Good day, here are the third-year students of Bachelor of Chemical Engineering, UTM. This video of the introduction to chemical engineering and the unit operation of absorption was made in order to inculcate knowledge and give exposure to the society, especially for secondary school.
Hi. Good evening, Uncle Jack. Are you finding my father?
Hi Lo. I had asked him to go fishing with me. Where is he?
He is not here now. Maybe you can come in and have a seat while waiting for him.
Alright. Are you now in university?
Yes, Uncle Jack. I'm studying chemical engineering at UTM.
Oh, I see. What is chemical engineering about?
Chemical engineering is an engineering discipline that deals with chemical development, production, transformation, and transportation, that turn raw materials into valuable products through chemical processes. In order to design the processes, we will creatively combine chemistry, physics, and biology along with mathematics.
My nephew is now studying the degree of pure chemistry. I think it is the same with your course, right?
Both look the same, but actually they are different. A chemist learns more about the reactions on a smaller scale, and they have a deeper understanding of those reactions, often in an academic or theoretical practice. Chemists usually hand off the information to the chemical engineers who focus on chemical process design, like designing a processing plant or chemical reactor where the large-scale chemical reactions take place. They usually have to find practical applications in the real world.
Oh, I see. Then what kind of jobs can you do after graduation?
Chemical engineering actually involves a very wide range of career opportunities. The jobs fall into two main groups, which are industrial applications, and development of new products. Thus, I can work in the industries like food, oil and gas, fuel, water and sanitation, and pharmaceutical.
Food and pharmaceuticals? You can work in those biological fields as well?
Yes. Chemical engineers may use their knowledge to research and produce foods to feed our growing global population. They can also advance healthcare by developing drugs to cure diseases. In short, chemical engineers can work in a variety of fields.
Wow. Amazing. So we can see chemical engineers anywhere?
Yes. There are a lot of applications in chemical engineering. For example, absorption.
Hey, do you ever wonder what tower and column present in the chemical plant?
Don't know.
Don't worry. In this video, we will explain to you one of the common towers in a chemical plant, which is absorption tower.
So, what is absorption tower?
Absorption tower is a long vertical column where the gas is introduced at the bottom of the column and absorbs liquid is passed at top and falls down against the countercurrent gas.
Don't understand?
No.
Never mind. Just link it to the process of making the coffee.
Making coffee?
Yes.
In making the coffee, we commonly pour the water into the filter that contains the ground coffee. Then gravity will take the solution into our cup. The water that we pour is act like the absorber solvent. And the coffee ground in the filter acts like the packed column.
The filter will act like an absorption tower, which will filter the mixture of water and coffee ground to produce our desired product, which is the coffee.
So the process of absorption tower is like you making a cup of coffee.
What is the type and function of an absorption tower?
The main function of the absorption towers is to absorb different types of impurities and gas streams.
Other than that, we also can use the absorption towers for distillation purposes, stripping purposes, absorption purposes, and extraction purposes.
In distillation purposes, its function is to separate liquids from non-volatile solids.
In stripping purposes, it is to remove the harmful contaminants from waste streams.
For adsorption purposes, it is to deposition the molecular species onto the surface.
Lastly, the extraction purpose in the absorption tower is used as the most important liquid-liquid separation process, which is isolating compound from plant materia, or move compound from one liquid to another.
Now I will introduce what are the main components of the absorption tower. The first component is mesh pad. It is used to filter out impurities from different sources. And it also helps to eliminate liquid droplets and mist from entering the vapor stream outlet. There are two types of packing. The first one is random packing. Random packing is a column filled with a packing material that allows liquid and vapor flows in and out. It improves the contact area between the liquid and vapor phase. The second one is structure packing. It provides a large surface area for the liquid to contact without causing resistance that impedes the liquid's flow. There are two types of packing support grate. The first one is multi-beam packing support. Multi-beam packing support is designed for random packing. It is a support grids with flat bars to hold the random packing materials. The second one is packing support grating plate. Packing support grating plate is designed for structured packing. It is a basic framework designed to give extra mechanical support to structure packing materials. Another components are the trays. Trays can be divided into two major categories including counterflow and cross-flow trays. Different types of trays perform different type of function on sieving different types of impurities.
Now we move on to how does the absorption tower works. The main concept of absorption tower is to separate a solute, or several solutes from a gas phase by contacting the gas with a liquid phase. First, the gas containing the solute A is introduced into the absorption tower gas inlet at the bottom. Then the gas rises through the pack section and the liquid is sprayed smoothly onto the pack section. The contact part is the sector that water and gas meet. And it enhances the contact efficiency between water and gas. The gas-liquid contact part can be compromised a few stages to facilitate the absorption process of solute from the gas. The liquid will carry the solutes towards the bottom of the absorption tower through the liquid outlet, while the gas will flow upwards and out of the absorption towers through the gas outlet.
Hi friends. After understand the functions and working of absorption tower, do you know what are the applications of the absorption tower?
No, can you tell us?
Let me tell you what are the applications of absorption tower. Absorption tower is mostly used in heavy industry as first process membrane industry such as petrochemical industry and chemical industry. Absorption tower which act as membrane industry will capture carbon dioxide evolved. This help to remove the pollutant gas from the industrial process. It absorbs 40% of man-made carbon dioxide emission as absorption process is the most efficient way to reduce carbon dioxide emission. In hydrogenation of oil process, absorption tower can separate the undesired products or impurities in order to recover the product. For example, it can strip volatile hydrocarbons such as ethane and gasoline for the recovery of propane. After knowing the applications of the absorption tower, do you know the advantages of the absorption tower?
No.
So, what are the advantages? Let me tell you. The most important of the advantages of absorption tower is low-cost equipment. In comparison to the cost of other equipment, you will not spend a lot of money to purchase the absorption towers. The cost is often quite affordable in relation to the benefits that you will derive from using the absorption towers. Second, absorption tower has low pressure drop. You will also experience low pressure drops across the entire absorption towers. Third, the absorption tower is a continuous operation. If you maintain the absorption towers well, you will experience very minimal downtime, thus continuous operations. Lastly, absorption tower can absorb solid impurities. You can also readily employ the absorption towers in the absorption of different impurities including solid substances. That's all from us. Do you have better understanding about absorption tower? Hope you enjoy this video and learn something from it. Happy learning. See you next time.